Former cricketer Ashwin, while attending an event in college, asked students in which language he should speak. He gave them options on Hindi, English, Tamil. He received an overwhelming response on English and Tamil and not in Hindi. Ashwin then said, and I quote, "Hindi is not a national language, it's an official language," unquote. Let's listen into what exactly the former cricketer had to say.
English? Okay. English students in the house, give me a A. Okay. Tamil? Okay. Hindi? வரவே இல்லை. Hindi? Okay. எல்லாம் சொல்லலாம்னு நினச்சேன். அது நம்ம நேஷனல் லாங்குவேஜ் இல்லை, அது ஒரு அஃபிஷியல் லாங்குவேஜ்னு.
All right, so that's the statement that is coming in from R. Ashwin, and this, of course, could possibly reignite the long ongoing debate over language. And this was basically an event where a number of students were gathered. And while attending this event in college, R. Ashwin, in fact, asked students that which language he should in fact speak in, and he gave them options on Hindi, English and Tamil, and he received an overwhelming response on English and Tamil and not in Hindi, after which he in fact went on to say that Hindi is not a national language, it's an official language. Let me now go across to my colleague Purnima Murli on this. Purnima, very good morning to you. When we talk about this statement that is coming in from cricketer R. Ashwin, this is of course going to once again reignite the whole debate on language, the already ongoing debate over language.
Absolutely. Once again, political parties have started reacting to Ravichandran Ashwin's statement. Ashwin had participated in a college event yesterday. So when he was talking to the students, he asked the crowd that gathered there as to how many speak in English, how many speak in Tamil, and how many speak in Hindi. Majority of them responded to Tamil and English, and not much when it came to Hindi. And he said, any day I wanted to say that Hindi is a national language, is not a national language, but an official language. Nevertheless, I don't find many Hindi-speaking students here. So that's what Ashwin had said to the college students that gathered there. And that video of Ashwin's is doing the rounds, and political parties, including the DMK, have come out in support of Ashwin's statement. But once again, as you said, it is only going to reignite the discussion around imposition of Hindi, which is what happened in the 1950s and 60s in Tamil Nadu. Once again, that debate will only escalate now, with all political parties now reacting to Ashwin's statement that he had said at a college event yesterday.
All right. Thank you, Purnima, for putting all those details into perspective.